In this video demonstration, we're going to look at an integration between ArcMap and Windows Phone 7. The scenario for this particular example is going to be a dispatcher working inside of ArcMap is going to create some tasks that they want a mobile crew working out in the field with a Windows Phone 7 device to go out and to inspect. The user with the Windows Phone 7 device is maybe going to take a picture of the particular element in question, maybe a transformer or a pole that has been broken, and they're going to send that back into ArcMap. So the way that this is going to work, and again this is just kind of an example of an integration, is we are going to make use of this button here for the Windows Phone 7 integration, and when we click on the map here, we're going to be given an opportunity to enter some comments for a new task, and we're going to send that ultimately to the mobile crew. So I'm going to say here that pole is broken, and I'll choose OK. And you see a graphic gets placed on the map and an entry gets made onto the grid here. I'll click again, add another comment in here. Transformer fire. Sounds serious. And I'll add another one here, and I'll say power is out. Okay, so I have 3 different tasks now, and I can assign those tasks to my mobile crew by clicking on Send Tasks. Messages sent to mobile crews. So I'm going to shift gears now and take on the role of the mobile crew working on a mobile phone device, a Windows phone in this particular case. What we have is a kind of a miniature GIS here. So ArcFM solution. This is a Windows Phone 7 application and kind of a mini GIS, if you will. I'm going to go ahead and zoom into this location. And if I click on the little wrench icon here, you'll see a whole bunch of tools. Not everything is wired up yet, but what I want to show you in this particular demonstration, of course, is the task integration. And that's this particular tool right here. So I'll go ahead and click on the task tool. And what this will do is put me into task mode. And so any interaction with the map at this point is going to be in that particular context. So for example, if I double click, I'm going to find that there are 3 tasks that are outstanding. I'll go ahead and click on OK. It's going to show me the 3 tasks, and the blinking red circle is my current GPS location coming from the GPS receiver on my phone. So if I kind of move down here, you'll see that these 3 tasks correspond to the 3 tasks that I made here. Well, given my current GPS position, I can say, hey, I'm closest to this one, so why don't we go ahead and select that particular task and see what we can find out about it. I'll click on the task button here, and I'll see that, hey, power is out, and it's 2 miles from me. This particular task up here, if I select it, is 4.04 miles. That's where the transformer fire is. Notice in red here, red indicates that's what I selected on the map. Here's the pole is broken, but I'll go ahead and choose the power is out task in here. So I'll probably drive the 2 miles to that particular location, and I will inspect the scenario and try to figure out what the best thing to do to remedy the situation is here. Ultimately, I'll put in some comments. Maybe I'll say power is restored. Okay, very good. And maybe I'll take a picture. Now, of course, this is the Windows Phone emulator here. In a real Windows Phone device, you'll be looking through and you'll be seeing exactly what it is that you're taking a picture of. In this case, I just have the ability to mock taking a picture. I'll click on Accept, and that's going to give me a picture of a pole here. All right, so maybe power was out as a function of some kind of device on this pole. So I've got my comment in here. I've taken a picture. I'm going to go ahead and send that now back over to the office. And I'll hit the OK button here, and that'll take me back out to my map. Now, it might take a few seconds for that message to get echoed back to the enterprise. And when it does, I'll move this out of the way here. We can see that that is showing up here in the grid. And if I click on that, then I can actually see the picture that I just took, as well as the comment. And I can identify that. If I move this out of the way here so that you can see a little bit better, and I click on the identify, you'll see the highlight right there. Okay. So what you've seen in this video demonstration is an integration between ArcMap running desktop ArcGIS and Windows Phone 7 representing a mobile solution and a mini GIS that will allow us to be able to communicate back and forth from enterprise to a mobile field crew.